Hey there, I'm HVAC repair guy. I have over 17 years out in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor. I also served as a Navy nuclear electrical operator before going into HVAC. Today we're comparing two premium category air conditioners, the ACiQ H4A7T and the Payne PA8TAN5. Both models use a standard wire grill casing rather than full louvered paneling. That wire grill keeps weight down but leaves aluminum fins more exposed to debris and hail. The ACiQ H4A7T delivers a 17.0 SEER rating. The Payne PA8TAN5 can reach up to 18.5 SEER 2, depending on the matched indoor system. In terms of noise, the ACiQ runs at about 70 decibels, while the Payne operates around 69 decibels. Under the top grate, both units feature two-stage compressors for better humidity control and longer cycles. Their fan motor configurations differ. ACiQ pairs the compressor with a two-speed condenser fan motor. The Payne PA8TAN5 uses a single-speed fan motor. Both brands fall under the Carrier umbrella when it comes to manufacturing. ACiQ split systems are produced via ICP with manufacturing facilities in Mexico. Payne is an entry-level Carrier brand with residential production also taking place in Mexico. Raw equipment for the ACiQ H4A7T typically retails online around $1,500 to $2,200 depending on tonnage. Complete ACiQ system packages run around $3,200 to $4,500 for equipment alone. After labor, permits, and full installation, real-world quotes for ACiQ jobs generally land between $5,500 and $8,500. Full professional installation quotes for the Payne PA8TAN5 typically range from $5,500 to $7,500. Warranty coverage is where ACiQ really stands out. ACiQ backs the H4A7T with a 10-year parts, 10-year compressor, and 10-year unit replacement warranty. Payne offers a standard 10-year limited parts warranty, but no unit replacement warranty. If I had to recommend one for my own customer, I would pick the ACiQ H4A7T. ACiQ edges ahead due to its two-speed fan motor and its 10-year unit replacement warranty for long-term peace of mind. That is how you shop like a pro.